What's the meaning of beauty queen? Beauty queen. Beauty queen.
Beauty queen. Beauty queen. A beauty queen is a term used to describe a woman who has won a beauty pageant or beauty contest. Typically, these contests judge contestants on their physical appearance, grace, personality, and knowledge. Beauty queens are often seen as role models and ambassadors of their community or country. They may participate in charity events, public appearances, and international competitions. The concept of a beauty queen has been controversial, with some arguing that it reinforces harmful stereotypes and places too much emphasis on external beauty. However, others see it as an empowering opportunity for women to showcase their talents and intelligence while celebrating their physical attributes.